Very good morning, students. Yeah, this is CP sir. So today I would like to start the next concept, mortality rates. See, in the previous video we have completed fertility rates along with reproductive rates. So all the four fertility rates, CBR, ASBR, GFR, TFR, and then reproductive rates, GRR and NRR. Now the last concept, measurement of mortality. So now birth rate we have seen, reproductive rate we have seen. Now we should calculate death rate. So these are the three things very important in human population. These are the major vital events. Clear? So let us see the next concept, mortality rates. See, you know that mortality refers deaths. Now mortality, these deaths occurring in the population, that we call it as a mortality. So mortality means deaths occurring in the population. Now there are many ways to take the deaths of the population. I mean causes. Number one, the death may occur by accident or accidents, either sickness, illness. When the people becomes older, I mean old age people, say approximately 60 and above. So generally only these kind of causes we are being observed how the deaths are occurring in human population. Clear? So here deaths occurring in the population, the deaths may be due to a number of causes like accidents, sickness, old age, etc. So there are many ways like to observe the cause of death, but most probably we observe only these three kind of things. One is deaths occurring either by getting sickness or illness, or unexpected death, accident, there some unexpected drastic climatic situations like earthquakes, there may be more number of deaths, cyclone, tsunami, right? So thunderstorm. So all these kind of accidental deaths we have seen, and then straight away the road accidents. Clear? So there are these many kind of causes. Now we have to calculate, measure the mortality. See, whenever I said fertility rate means we have particular age group 15 to 49 only, childbearing age we have to observe. Reproductive rate means female births, sex of newly born baby along with female population, that too childbearing age. Now deaths from just born baby to n number of years, this death may happen because life is uncertain, anything may happen. Clear? Now see, for this measurement of mortality there is no kind of like fertility how the childbearing, and reproductive how the female only, like that it will not be considered mortality. So let us have this mortality rates, measurement of mortality. So there are totally 6 measures. Number 1, crude death rate, CDR. Number 2, age specific death rate. Number 3, standardized death rate. Number 4, infant mortality rate. Number 5, maternal mortality rate. Number 6, neonatal mortality rate. Fine, these are the 6 measures we are going to discuss in this concept, mortality rates. Fine. So shall we start the concept, measurement of mortality? Yes, here come the first method, crude death rate. See here, the first method, CDR, crude death rate. See, in the fertility rates, we have seen CBR, crude birth rate. Now here, crude death rate we are seeing. What is the difference between these two? Very silly question, right? So there births and here deaths, sir. Yes, that is absolutely correct. It seems to be very simple, silly. There, number of births occurring in that year divided by total population, irrespective of whether male or female population is given, multiplied by 1000, we have done in CBR. Same thing here, CDR, just only replaced by deaths. Everything is quite similar, right? So CDR, number of deaths occurring in the year divided by total population, or called as average population in the year, multiplied by 1000. Fine, just compare both the formula and the concept. There CBR, total number of births occurring in a year by total population in the year, multiplied by 1000. Here in CDR, number of deaths occurring in a year divided by total population in the year, multiplied by 1000. Only one word you have replaced it, that is deaths in place of births. So crude overall, all together will be considered, right? So this is CDR. Now in this CDR, look at the formula there, number of deaths in the year divided by average population in the year, multiplied by 1000. So by seeing this formula only, we can guess that total deaths occurring divided by total population we have to take. Here, just like fertility rate, there will be no bifurcation that only male, only female population, like that. Population means including all, right from 1 day baby to n number of years. Am I clear? Let us see the merits and demerits of this. Merits. As I always say, every method is very simple to understand and easy to calculate. That is the first merit of CDR, if you observe here, right? Next, what is the second merit? It requires total deaths and average population. Fine. So total population will be considered here. There will be like fertility, male population, female population, nothing of that sort. Just we have only population, total population, along with total number of deaths, right? And the third one, it indicates the rate of decreasing of deaths of the population. Obviously, when deaths occurred, population will be reducing or not, right? So here it indicates the rate of deaths of the population, that too decreasing the population, rate of decreasing the population, remember this. So these are the merits. Let us have demerits. Generally, as I mentioned, age compositions, sex compositions does not consider in the initial method, just like fertility. There also the same way, fertility, total births, total population into 1000. No age compositions and no sex compositions. Here also for calculating deaths, no age compositions and no sex compositions. See, in CDR, just now I have only mentioned that from 1 day baby to 1 hour baby to 1 minute baby to n number of years, death may be possible. It is, life is uncertain, right? So there is a possibility of occurring death at any time, at any point of time, because life is uncertain. Clear? So it does not consider age and sex distribution of the population. Remember, I am not mentioning compositions. Age and sex distribution. So sex distribution, only male deaths, only female deaths. That way it won't be there. Deaths means deaths. It's a common to all. Birth means, again, there is a possibility. Female birth, male birth, transgender birth. So there are many ways of occurring birth. But death, there is no way. Only one way. Right? So it does not consider age and sex distribution of the population. Second one, it cannot be used for comparing the death rates of different populations. CDR, death rate, because it does not consider any age and any sex compositions. Sex composition means nowhere, no way only, right? At least age composition means there is a possibility, because generally if you observe the trend of deaths, how it is happening these days, less than 5 years, I mean just infant people, just born babies, either those cases or unexpected deaths, or like accident, sickness, or aged deaths, I mean 60, 70, 80 aged people dying. So generally those age groups only the deaths will be more, like below 5 years and then above 60 or 70 years. There the death rate will be higher than the normal age deaths, isn't it? From say like 10 years to 45 to 50 years. So that death rate will be little lesser than the among these two ages, right? So it does not consider age and sex distribution of the population. It cannot be used for comparing the deaths of different populations. Another thing is, we are least bothered about cause of death. So I have written it in demerit, but generally when you calculate the mortality, cause of death actually not at all required. Just for a documentation the cause of death is required, because to claim the insurance amount to the deceased person, to nominee, definitely cause of death will be considered, right? So to claim that insurance amount, generally the cause of death is mandatory to note. Clear? So for that reason only the cause of death will be considered, except that generally to calculate the mortality we ignore cause of death. So it is nowhere mentioned. Deaths means death rate calculation means one, okay fine, but some occupational and then some social kind of deaths will be there, right? For example, now there is a pandemic situation. Generally now what is the current death rate? It is higher than the regular years. If you mention 2020, take it as a live example, 2020 COVID-19 pandemic situation, pandemic disease, right? So now what is the death rate? It is very high than the regular death rate in every year. So if you compare from 2011 to 2019 death rate, every year individual death rate, along with 2020 death rate of this country or the world, if you observe, it is very high than the regular years. This is like a social and unexpected occupational disease. Particular time period it comes and it goes. At that moment the death rate will be very high. So generally now cause of death completely ignored. Am I clear? So this is all about CDR, merits and demerits. I hope I am very clear about the concept crude death rate. Shall we have basic problems on calculation of CDR? Let us see the problems on CDR. So here come the problem number 1. In the year, the average population of a town was 65,51,000. So in the year, average population of a town was 65,51,000. The number of deaths occurred in that year was 61,931. So 61,931 deaths have been occurred in that year. Find CDR. Just see underlined things. Population 65,51,000 given, and then deaths in that year was 61,931. Only two numerical things are enough to calculate CDR, because detailed information need not be taken. It's not necessary actually. So here total population given and number of deaths given. Just write down the formula. CDR equals to number of deaths given 61,931 divided by average population or total population in the year given 65,51,000 multiplied by 1000. Then we can calculate the death rate in that town was 9.5 deaths. Approximately you take it 10 deaths occurring per every 1,000 population. So for every 1,000 population there are 10 number deaths for every 1,000 population in that particular town. Is it not simple and easy to calculate as well as understand? Yes, it is very simple to understand and easy to calculate. That is a first merit which I was given in the previous page. Am I clear how to calculate CDR? So let us see one more problem calculating CDR. Please note down this problem. Calculating CDR. Very easiest way of calculation. Okay, it doesn't take much time also. Just total deaths by total population into 1,000. That's it. Detailed information is not at all required. So let us see the next problem. See here. In a year, the CDR for a population of 3 lakhs is 8. Now CDR for 3 lakh population is 8. That means CDR value is given 8 already. Crude death rate is given 8. And the among total population 3 lakhs. Find number of deaths. So we don't know how many deaths occurred, but we have population as well as CDR rate. So let us consider the number of deaths be X. Total population given 3 lakhs. CDR is given 8. See, don't confuse. 3 lakh is a population. For 3 lakh population, the CDR value is 8. Now apply the formula. CDR equals to number of deaths by average population into 1,000. CDR value is given 8. Number of deaths we considered as X divided by 3 lakh population multiplied by 1,000. So substitute the values, you get the number of deaths will be 2,400. If you calculate, you will get the answer 2,400. Just see the problem. Right? So shall we go to the last exercise problem? Example problem. Exercise problems this time I am going to give as a homework assignment. Remember. Clear? So let us see the next problem. Calculate CDR. Now in a table format they have given in particular ages 0 to 19, 20 29, 30 49, 50 and above. Population, just 2 columns they have given, population and deaths along with age. Population 20,000, 22,000, 34,000, 22,000. So all together total if you do 98,000 I have taken. So 20, 22, 42, 42 plus 34, 76, 76 plus 22, 98. So 98,000. Deaths 440, 280, 220, 180. So for individual ages deaths are given. For calculating CBR, age also does not require. Just blindly follow total deaths, total population. So total number of deaths by total population into 1,000. So the total deaths were 1120 and total population 98,000 multiplied by 1,000. So you get the value 11.42 deaths per 1,000 population. The units, what for that 11.42 you have calculated? You have calculated the death rate. So 11.4 to approximately 11 deaths per 1000 population. So this is how you have to calculate CDR. So that's the end of CDR concept. So kindly follow this. Thank you.